Hello guys. Taya ni guys murag karon pag minaabot guys. Wa gabae guys. Pangutana guys, unsay masakyan namo guys? Mahalag plete padong karbanto guys 300 wa gabae, sakang gasolina tawo. High vlog bitaw. Kapuyan pero sige lang, kore bahala. Hello, good morning mga guys. Nanako sa campus grounds. Puyan pero inon budlay man. Tawo. Ino na kumakaubanan dre medyo na pagka-traidoro, na pagka-pakyas, na pagka-galaon, abot aning uban, bahala sila okay pake. Basta importante, buhi ta. Wala ko ilabot aning mga tauhan pero sige lang. Ox na ko. Ako rin bahala po sa YT, okay? Morning guys. Morning guys. I am on a location set right now. Pero noon, budlay. Moni kan bandog de guys. Lo kasurig argaw guys. Grabe ring tauha. Power. Wee. Oh. Murag na wala ko sa laing dapit ay tao. Saman. Dapat ka. Tent. Wala ko ikaw to. At least for today, I'm on a location site right now. So yan talaga ang tent Ang kapoy talaga mag-set up ng tent pagkatapos ay nandito kami sa may umahan, no? What a nice range, layo, tawo. Oh, this area, grabe na gabae ka, tawo. Nice, what a nice location here. In this area, I hope that this will never regret it. Okay. Okay, I am on a location site right now. Pwesto na ko. Pwesto sa mga kurimaw. Kaduyan. Oh. Tsada niya. Tao. Wow, mo gini siya pinaka nice good area here. More back with the refugee Gikan Calamity. Nice. Anay yung camping. Sakto naman de balance. Wala lagi balance lagi. Magpaniwang ko na plano.
So, period number 1's questions.
Guys. Tsada ni guys. Money ang bungtod guys Wow. Karon pa guys, pero last din ni guys. Sorry, vlog ni. I'm on this location right now. Mountain forest of Mount Canbanto, Gargao. What a nice view. Tree planting with the seedlings activity will do. So I need to turn around. I will see the surroundings here. Yeah. Good morning guys. Nana ko sa location. Sila gadalag seedling pero tsada siya. Hinoon. Iguana lang Si, wait lang. Manihid lang sa ko. Manihid lang ko, sorry. Okay. Thank you. Nice guy. I have my own too, but don't worry. I will plant this for the future of my own hut. Okay, shout out. Tara, Jinjin, shout out. Sorry. Sama na pailain. Oh, lo, pictorial ti. Eh. Nice. Yeah, oy, first experience, boy. Grabe. Hala, mga ti. Do. Awa. Mura ga parade. Oy, procession. Oy, wag bae. Yun na, nakatsada. Yun na, nakatsada siya, bay. Oh, yeah. Dito ko na. Black ah. Okay. Grabe, mo ka procession, bay. Mo ang naigisimba nga Santo Sare. Nagdalag seedlings. Basit pista na ba na? Posisyon na lang, oh. Ano ni siya? Okay. Wala ka posisyon na niyo. See. Okay. I'm on a location site right now. Nana ko dire guys. Tawo. Moni siya. Mon lang ida guys. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Sige. Shikang magspokpang naw nga. Oh. Nani dayo. Nice. What a nice experience, eh? Goods. Shite. Nice. Okay. I'm on a heights right now. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Peace out. Okay. Then. Grabe. I'm on this location site here. Grabe. Oh. Chada ni. No. Mustaja. Video man kamo. See. Yeah. Sige. Location site. Okay. Shoutout sila. Sorry. Bago ba? Mo ba?
Ay, palinting pan.
Oh, ha? Kita mo na? Tao mo. This is how I dig using this pickaxe in Minecraft. Pickaxe, okay? I'm gonna use this pickaxe, you know. Pickaxe, tao. Ani ni siya. 3 to 5 inch deep. Oh, klaro ah. Unta, di kini maglibog. Oh, ina na katsada guys. Lauma ni guys. Oh, ha? Bangagan ta ne. Oh, tao ne. Oh, ha? Gamito ni siya for ano? What do you call this? Gold digging, pero illegal siya kay walay permit. Sorry. Oh, padayon na ta. Okay, please. This is ready to put and set here. Then simple. Okay, I'm gonna cover this young seedling. It turns into months old seedling. And then this is the finished product. Simple as easy. No hard, just simple, you know. Yeah, I'm on the way back home bringing this mighty pickaxe with me. Lended or borrowed by my close friend, so I'm gonna use this as attacking weapon to eliminate those opponents here. Damn it. And now guys, we are ready to depart. Okay, we're ready to depart, of course. And then we're ready to pack things up and go home straight. Okay, that's it. We're on ready, okay. Mahadjong butag mga guys. Nana ko dre sa location site. Kapuya padong nang bimubiya. Pero kari sila kumaygala. Okay. So. Okay. Oh, mahadjong na guys. Paminawan niya. Salamat kanilo. Salamat kaninyo og maayo. Salamat jud sa kabalo na mo. Okay na. Salamat kayo kay di na pakyas, okay? Di na ni pakyas. Kamu mga animals. Okay, salamat. Oh mga guys, that's la guys. Mga RO guys, mga room guys. ROTC officers, mga room guys ni. Oh. Mga power kayo ni guys. Sorry give gadgets lang to. Pero sige, pasas ako. Sorry. I'm on this vacation site right now, though the things are packed up, so ready na mabutang. Wala na ang guy, wala na samok, leave no trace, kay basi mapatyan ta ni, masubayan ta, okay, leave no trace. Okay, thank you sa pagbisita. Okay, we're departing now. We're on our way, go to home, and this is it. The end of the journey stage. Okay, we're off until next year, until next time. Okay, at last we're arriving at the campus on site. We're going inside here. Darating na kami dyan. Yan, darating na kami at papasok na kami. Lapit na. O yan, gate bukas na, kakarating na. Okay, hinahinay lang. O, pasok na kami. Salamat sa inyo mga guards. O yan, dahan-dahan lang, ganun. Darating na kami dyan. Nice. Okay, okay. What a nice safe travel, eh? We're done and we're discharging these supplies here. Okay, we're off. At ngayon mga kaunggoy, mga kayunggoy, ngayon lang kami darating sa campus namin kung saan nag-discarga na kami ng aming mga gamit. Isasauli namin at pagkatapos ay uwi na kami afterwards. Okay? So, sa driver dyan, shout out. Salamat sa patid namin. Salamat kasi nakauwi kami ng ligtas na walang nangyari sa amin. Salamat pa rin. Salamat na may kapal. Salamat pa rin. Tagumpay ang event na to.